As many of you know, Garden Time had a trip planned to Portugal and Spain in October of this year. Unfortunately, it's been postponed.
But the good news is it's been postponed and not canceled. So if you'd still like to go on the trip, it'll be going in October of 2021. And remember, there's limited space, so seats do fill up fast.
The custom itinerary is still the same. We are going to some wonderful sites in Portugal.
And we'll still be visiting some great sites in Spain, including Sevilla and the Alhambra.
So if you are interested in this wonderful trip in 2021, please go to the gardentime.tv website and click on the little airplane.